caste defines voting behavior in most of India. It is seen as the single most important factor dictating election results in many parts of the country. In our special series, Caste Cauldron, this time we take you to Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan to see how caste impacts the political process in these states.
Maharashtra is known as the land of social reforms, with Dr. Ambedkar, Mahatma Phule and Chhatrapati Shahu pioneering the social justice movement. But post-independence, unlike Uttar Pradesh, no Dalit party could assert their political identity in this land of Ambedkar.
Diksha Bhumi in Nagpur. In 1956, Dalit icon Dr. B.R. Ambedkar converted to Buddhism along with his followers. It shook the nation and added another leaf to the story of caste assertion in India. Called the City of Oranges, Nagpur is also the hub of right-wing ideology, with RSS, the fountainhead of the Sangh Parivar, headquartered here. The Dalit population in Vidarbha is the highest in the state. Almost every village has a statue of Ambedkar. But Dalit movement has failed to pick up steam here. We joined Prakash Ambedkar, the grandson of B.R. Ambedkar, on the campaign trail. People gather to see and listen to the descendant of Baba Saheb. They also donate generously for his campaign. But Prakash knows it's not easy to take Ambedkar's legacy forward.
You must have an enlightened leadership. That never came up. What came up was only a splinter groups of people who just reacted to situation. And since there was a vacuum, they developed into leadership. And when time came, they just faded away.
In 1952, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar lost to a Congress candidate from this Bhandara constituency in Vidarbha region. Many Ambedkar followers till date have not forgotten this historical defeat of their icon.
The incident alienated the Dalits from the Congress, but the party hopes to move forward.
Dr. Ambedkar loses not because of the Congress, because of the people who were with him previously, later they left.
The Congress tried to appease the community by installing Sushil Kumar Shinde as the first Dalit Chief Minister of Maharashtra in 2003. But even that failed to win back the faith. To a large extent, what rescued the Congress was the division of Dalit votes among the various factions of the Republican Party of India. No wonder Dalits have lost faith even in the party founded by Ambedkar.
जो nationalist party है कांग्रेस, राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस है ऐसे.
The national parties have managed to divide the Republic Party of India. Instead of giving Dalits a leadership, the party leaders have joined hands with these very national parties.
देने की बजाय उन्होंने अपने को खुद को उनके यहाँ अपने गिरवी रख दिए उन्होंने ऐसे.
Feeling cheated, the Dalits of Maharashtra now look forward to Mayawati as their best bet. The BSP's elephant is slowly but steadily making inroads in the region.
बहन मायावती सबको समान हक देते हैं, जिसकी जितनी संख्या भारी.
Mayawati treats everyone as an equal. She distributes party tickets according to your support base. She is the right person to lead Bahujan Samaj.
जय भीम, जय भारत.
But as one moves from Vidarbha, Dalits fade away from the political map. In the rest of the state, it's all about Marathas, the most dominant caste. Barring a few, almost all chief ministers in the state came from this community. Maratha strongman and NCP chief Sharad Pawar may be laying claim to the PM's chair, but members of his own community are not too happy. There is an increasing demand for inclusion of Marathas in the OBC category.
जो मराठा समाज in महाराष्ट्र में कम से कम 40% है.
There are 40% Marathas in the state, out of which 80% are in a bad financial shape.
% छोड़ के बाकी 80% जो मराठा लोग हैं, वो उनकी हालत बहुत ही खस्ता है.
The issue had snowballed into a